I forgot to I forgot to mention that last night I ordered a new telephone because my camera wasn't working, and for 3 days it hasn't worked, and so I decided, okay, let's look for a new phone because I gotta have a good camera. So I went and I started looking on Lazada, which is where I do all my shopping, and there they had the Nokia 5.4, which is saw all the reviews, and they're very good. The camera's supposed to be excellent, and video is like unbelievable. And it's cheap. It's like an under $200 phone. So I ordered it, and I'm so excited because I own a lot of Nokia shares, and so I have to back the company I'm part of, right? I own 2,450 shares of Nokia. And I have for about 8 or 9 months. And with the crash, I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for it to come back. And I've been buying when it was lower and buying. I should have bought more, a lot more. And then it came up, and now I'm making a lot of money on it. And then I sold a bunch because I wanted to be sure I made a profit. But I kept 2,450, and I sold 2,450. Now I wish I didn't sell it because now it's gone up to $4.50, and it's going to go up to 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. I knew that, but anyways, to make a story short, the reason I bought the phone last night, I call it my camera because it's my camera more than my phone, because I don't use a phone that much. So anyways, I bought it, and so this morning I woke up and I went to my old phone, and I did what I always do to try to get the camera to work. I open up the setup, I go to apps, I go to camera, I delete all the cache, I stop it from working, then I restart the phone, and guess what? It was working perfectly. So this is like, kind of like, now I got a Nokia coming for the camera, and my camera's working. But that's great because today's a very special day. We are, as they sort of say, breaking ground at the land with the pouring of the footings for the so-called garage. Love everybody. I'll be back. Bye for now.